How to organize chats in Claude AI in this video. I'm going to teach you how to organize your Claude conversations so you never lose track of important chats again. If you use Claude regularly, you know the problem. Your sidebar fills up with conversations, and anything older than a few days disappears into the scroll. Claude has built-in organization tools that most people don't know about. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a system that keeps your conversations findable, organized, and easy to access. Let's break it down. This is the simplest and most effective organization trick. Open any conversation, click on the conversation title in the sidebar. The title becomes editable. Rename it to something descriptive. Instead of Claude's auto-generated title like Help with Code, rename it to something like Marketing Strategy Q3 Launch or Python API Integration Project. Be specific and clear. Rename chats immediately when they become valuable. Don't wait until you have 200 chats with generic titles because you will never go back and organize them. If every chat has a clear name, you can visually scan your sidebar and find what you need in seconds. Starred chats are available in both free and paid versions. When you have a response or conversation you want to save, click the star icon next to it. This bookmarks the conversation so you can easily return to it later. Go to your starred chat section to access all your bookmarked conversations. This is perfect for building a personal prompt library. Instead of searching through dozens of chats, your starred conversations are all in one place. Projects are available on Claude Pro and above. Projects organize your work and leverage knowledge across multiple conversations. Click on Projects in your left sidebar. Click New Project. Give your project a name and description. For example, Client ABC Website Project, Business Research, Code Review System, Wedding Planning. Every project has its own workspace. Within each project, you can create multiple chats. All chats in a project share context and can reference each other. You can upload files and documents specific to that project. You can set custom instructions that guide Claude's behavior within that project. You can use voice mode within projects just like regular chats. If you have old conversations you want to add to a project, here's how. Go to your Chats section in the left sidebar. Hover over the conversation you want to move. Click the More Options button, which looks like 3 dots. Select Add to Project. Choose the destination project. The chat is now moved and organized within your project. Give your project conversations descriptive titles too. Upload reference documents, code files, or research materials your project needs. Set custom instructions in the project settings that apply to all conversations in that project. For example, you're managing a book writing project. You upload your outline, character descriptions, and world-building notes. You set custom instructions telling Claude to maintain tone and consistency. Now every conversation within that project automatically has context about your book. Use a naming convention. Start project names with categories like client, research, code, or writing. Within projects, prefix chat titles with dates or version numbers. Search your sidebar first. Claude has a search bar that searches conversation titles. Use it before you scroll. It's fast and works across archived conversations. Keep urgent projects at the top. Start your most important project names with numbers or special characters so they float to the top. Delete completed projects. Archive or delete projects you're finished with. This keeps your sidebar clean and focused on active work. Claude doesn't have true folder hierarchies for general organization. Starred chats are good for single responses, not bulk organization. Projects are for related conversations, not a general filing system. For truly advanced organization across hundreds of conversations, third-party tools like AI Toolbox add folder functionality. But for most users, Rename Plus Projects solves 90% of organization needs. Summary: you now know 3 ways to organize Claude chats. Rename conversations immediately for easy scanning. Use starred chats to bookmark important responses. Use projects to group related conversations with shared files and instructions. Combine all 3 methods, and your Claude workspace stays organized and findable no matter how many conversations you create. If this tutorial helped you organize Claude, please like and subscribe for more Claude productivity tips. Comment below and tell me what kind of project you're planning to create first. Thanks for watching.